Yeah, yes.
Can I add one more? You told that negotiation problem. Actually, this negotiation problem can be solved very easily. For example, if somebody is weak in running, he can walk or run. If
Yeah.
you put some dog behind him, he will automatically do that. So
Yes.
we will have to create that sort of situation. Then
Yes.
only it will happen.
Now, in real life, if I put a dog behind somebody, it can be risky.
It
But
can
in
be,
game, when I
but
do
if
something like that, it automatically is training our brain
but
in multiple
but
ways.
if
So yeah, and games allow a lot of such realistic situations. So yeah, Indus is again one of my very close friend. He's the designer, and another friend who is the publisher. This is a Bangalore-based company called Dice Toy Labs. They are coming up with the international level of games, and Indus is one of them. So they have tried their best to have the Indian themes with the board games touch. And this particular game allows a lot of planning. It does allow some level of risk taking because there are calamities that came during the in the Indus Valley also there were these houses which were on the top, and I don't know if anybody has visited the Indus civilization in Kutch. There are excavated Harappan civilization yet. That one can see in Gujarat, Kutch. But yeah, if you have seen that area, I visited that in between the pandemic, so I can relate everything that I played in the game. So you need to take risk, you need to plan your own city, you need to plan your own houses and resources, where I'm planting trees, where I'm making a house, where I'm creating a well. And then if a natural calamity comes, how certain things get distracted. So all of this is happening in this game. There's a lot of analysis. After you play 2 or 3 times, you start realizing that now I need to think more deep into planning my city. Creativity possibility, of course, one is your blocks, bricks. This is again a Play Panda which has created something like Lego blocks. But there are multiple games, not just the blocks and bricks and the different creation thing, but there are also certain language games which I put in innovative thinking, because you have to form your description for somebody to guess the word in your card, or for somebody to make questions. So there's a lot of innovative thinking that these games involve. So a lot of language games also allow a lot of creativity thinking. Then Logica I have here. Now when we talk of let's say when we are talking of the CET, the entrance exams and all, so these have lot of aptitude questions. Just as I said, even when you enter companies, they will take your aptitude test. The same way, there are games that can help you develop those aptitude tests. Now in Logica, what happens is there are 100 challenges, okay, and each of the challenge will tell you something like, okay, for this particular puzzle you have to take 3 green, 3 red, 1 purple, 1 white, and then it will give you 4 or 5 possibilities that one red can a red coin touches only the other red coins. Then the purple coin is directly to the left of a blue coin, no, to the left of a black coin and directly below a black coin. So these are the kind of possibilities that they give. So based on that, on this board, I need to place the coins so as to ensure that each of the possibilities is correct. Now in CET exam, there is something called seating arrangement. That's nothing but this. So XY, A is sitting next to B, but C is sitting in front of B. These kind of possibilities. There are 100 challenges this game gives. And if I have done 30-40 challenges and I want to redo challenge number 5, it's not something I can learn. I will have to rethink again logically to solve this particular thing. So it does give you possibility thinking, deductive reasoning, and logical thinking. We have the stall of Luma World. So this is again one of my favorite game, Mystic Arts. This is teaching the mathematical measurements, but there is a lot of what we say, probability thinking, that what are the probable cards others will have, what kind of power cards they can have, so how do I make my moves. So there's a lot of probability that you're trying to calculate when you're playing a game like this. In the first round, that probability calculation doesn't happen, but by the second and third round, definitely you start gauging what's there with each of the player and how do I make my moves. Then there is something called as gear blocks. I don't know if anybody has seen this, but after you place the blocks, if you are making movement, all of these gears should be placed in such a way that it is allowing that motion to happen. Now, I have students who are probably 7-year-olds also who play these gear blocks. So it does require a lot of thinking. But obviously their engineering skills are honed now. I know of parents who put their children into the IIT-G preparation. I mean 8th, 9th, 10th was still known. I today know people who put in 5th standard also. They send their child right from 5th standard into so much of pressure doing the IIT-G examinations by the classroom. But imagine if this thing like a gear block is given to them at home, the child loves the play, they are enjoying, and they will learn physics when it comes to. But they are automatically understanding those concepts of physics from a much, much earlier age. There are a lot of games in the market, and we are obviously seeing we have so many people here who have been making physics concepts, bringing into life and explaining multiple parameters. And in the market also you will find a lot of games which teach you about motion or which teach you about various different physics concepts. Now this I feel is very, very important ability, speed and agility. We always talk of analysis, we talk of logic, we talk of sitting at one place and trying to bring a solution, think deep. But there are games where you need speed. You don't have time to think. You just have to be as fast as you can. And if you want to experience that, please visit our stall today. We'll make you play some of the games just for you to understand. But this is something we start right from 4-year-olds. It can be taught to 3-year-old. We don't take 3-year-old children in our classes. We start from 4-year-old. And this is also something that I give to the senior citizens. Because the brain to your body movement processing speed has reduced. And the best example I can give is, आप कहीं खड़े हो, like you, for my generation I'll say my son, me and my mother. Maybe for you kids it could be you, your parent and the grandparent. And समझो सामने शेर आ गया. Now immediate response किसका सबसे fast होगा? Please answer. The child. Because uska processing speed is much, the kids are very, very fast. The youth is much faster in responding than what a middle-aged person can do. And if there's a senior citizen, even if they are taking in that information that there is a tiger or a lion or some animal or there's a danger, the ability to take that information and respond to it physically has really slowed down because the brain functions have slowed down. And that is where, even when we talk of the brain diseases, if we maintain 3 different functions of the brain diseases really slow down. And speed is one of them, the processing speed. And इस speed में मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है, it's just that logic भी नहीं लगाना है. If I have a card, so yeah, I don't know if, okay, the screen, can we put the screen? Okay, so if I have a card, this is showing different colors. And in this game there are 4 players, each of them get these 5 color glasses. I just have to stack these glasses in the same order. So if pink is first, next is, and I have to do this at a speed, so it has to be like, and the one who finishes it first has to just press this buzzer. So it's a fun squeak sound, we love that. So this is all, but in that speed, we have often seen there are certain children who will keep earning the cards. And there are certain children who take time. But ऐसी games repetitively जब हम उनको खिलाते हैं तो उनका जो flight and fright response है वो faster होता है. At the same time there are situations जब आपको immediately सोचना है, आपको time नहीं लग सकता है. आप जब aptitude test देते होंगे, if anybody has gone through the 8th, 9th standard aptitude test, there are situations where you have to immediately give response or you move on, the screen moves on to the next situation. Or if you are giving a physical exam, you will have a timing of 20 minutes for let's say 30-40 questions. That's where the speed is being noted, how fast you are able to process information and respond to it. So speed and agility games are also very, very important. Now, Brain Cash was just designed a couple of months before the pandemic started, and this is extremely an important game that I recommend to all ages, क्योंकि इसमें जो है वर्किंग मेमोरी या शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी की एक्सरसाइज होती है. एंड जब हम डिमेंशिया की भी बात करते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल अल्जाइमर्स डिमेंशिया, पीपल हैव मेमोरी ऑफ 20 years बिफोर. 20 साल पहले आई न्यू दिस पर्सन, उसका सब मेमोरी याद होगा, बट मैंने अभी खाना खाया कि नहीं, मैंने अभी स्नान किया कि नहीं, वो मेमोरी नहीं रहती है. इफ एनीबडी हैज अल्जाइमर डिमेंशिया पेशेंट्स, दे कैन वेरी वेल रिलेट टू व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. सो द वर्किंग मेमोरी इज अफेक्टेड इन ब्रेन डिजीजेज. इट्स नॉट अ लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी, वो स्टोरेज है, आपका फंक्शन जो है वो वर्किंग मेमोरी है. एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर गेम इज स्ट्रेंथनिंग. देयर आर मेनी अदर गेम्स, बट दिस पर्टिकुलरली स्पेसिफिकली फॉर स्ट्रेंथनिंग द वर्किंग मेमोरी. We play this game and we have seen changes. We have seen the difference in our performance after playing this game. This is again more of a spiritual game which talks of the 7 chakras and the healing and multiple things. But yes, people who like this, there are games for that as well. Again, this is an Indian game. Now this one game is not an Indian game, but we love this game because this definitely does a lot of. Anybody who has played the Mind? Anybody here? Of course. My husband is raising his hand. This is our favorite game. This definitely has works on the intuitive skills, and when you play it, you will know it's just a 4-player